Hello everyone, today we are going to take a quick look at the Silvercrest personal care 5-in-1 hair and beard trimmer. This thing has nose, ear, hair trimming, a precision trimmer, a beard trimmer, a shaving attachment and a hair cutting attachment. So let's see what this thing is about. I'm going to open it right up. And there's plenty of stuff under the box. It comes with a docking station, the charger, which is a 5 volts 1 amp charger, a scissor, a comb, a small brush and oil, the different spacers for different hair cutting depth. So you have 5 different options here. And now let's move on to the trimmer itself. Very compact, very light, and it comes with one head already attached. It has this fine adjustment which moves the cutting head forward or backward. Let's see, does it have power? Yes, it has power, and it shows a green LED. Probably that means that it has enough power to run. So here are the other heads. This one is, I think it's the beard trimmer. This is for shaving. The nose hair trimmer, and the precision one, which is a very small cutter here. So let's see, is it hard to change this type of heads or not. So nope, you just pull from one side, and there's the motor shaft there. You can see it spinning, and now you just need to use this small tooth here which enters there. So you just clip this on, and there you go. Now it's a shaver, and it's very nice because being so compact with all these included heads, you can actually take this with you during travels, so you don't need to carry a lot of options, just one that does everything. Of course, probably this is not doing all the things perfectly, but it's a good thing that it does more things than just one, so you will not carry too many devices with you. So I will test this, and we'll probably do another video and report back about its quality. I have something like 6 different hair trimmers. Some of them are really good, some of them are really bad. Probably I'm going to do a video about all of them, but some of them are now already in the garbage because they simply failed completely and didn't have any sense to try to repair them. So until next time, bye bye.